In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pause a website using Hostinger, and we'll walk through the process step by step to ensure you understand each part. Whether you're running updates, making changes behind the scenes, or just need a temporary pause, this guide will help you smoothly achieve that without a hitch. So let's get started. First, you'll want to navigate to the Hostinger website. Simply open your web browser and type in the Hostinger URL. This will lead you to the homepage where you can bring your idea online with a website. Hostinger is well known for its user-friendly interface, which makes it a great choice for both beginners and seasoned webmasters. Once you're on the Hostinger homepage, the next step is to log in. Look for the login button, usually situated in the upper right corner of the page. Clicking on this will direct you to the login page, where you should enter your credentials. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to register before proceeding, but for the purposes of this tutorial, we'll assume you're already a Hostinger user. After successfully logging in, the third step involves navigating to the website section. This is where you can find all the websites you've currently set up. Clicking on website will bring up a list of your active sites. It's here within this comprehensive management dashboard where you have control over individual websites and can make necessary changes. Next, locate the Edit Website button. This is crucial as it allows you to access the more in-depth functionalities and options for your site. By clicking Edit Website, you'll enter the back end of your website where various tools and features are at your disposal for customization and optimization. Now we move to the blog section via Hostinger Website Builder. You'll want to go to the blog section, which might be specifically useful if you're managing a blog over Hostinger's platform. It gives you additional content and layout options tailored for blogging, along with features to modify and manage posts effectively while your site is paused. The final step in this straightforward process is to click on the Update Website button. This action confirms and implements any changes you've made, including pausing the website. It's important to ensure that all your updates are saved and published to see the effects accurately reflected on your live site. And there you have it. Pausing your website in Hostinger involves a few easy steps. We started from logging in to accessing and updating the specific site. Remember, keeping your website paused doesn't just help with modifications, it's also useful for troubleshooting or maintaining optimal performance without disturbing the visitors. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful.